To round off a number to the nearest tens, we will underline the number in the tens place. Okay, so now I'm going to underline the number in the tens place, and I'm going to circle the number in the ones place. The number that I circle is always one number two after the one that I underline. Now the number that I circle, if it is 4 and less, I do not round up. So my answer becomes 2, 5, 9 remains as 9, and a 0. Okay. Now how do I know that I end up with a 0 here? Because nearest tens means that my answer will have a tens at the back. Tens has got 1 0, so 1 0 at the back. Now 4086. Let's try this again. Underline the tens place, circle the ones place. Okay. Underline it, I circle 6. Now 6 is 5 or more, so this means I have to round up. Round up means I add a 1 to the underlined number. So 1 and 8 will make 9. My answer will be 4090. Next, when we round off numbers to the nearest hundreds, now nearest hundreds means I underline hundreds place. You realize that these two words are the same. So my hundreds place is this, and I circle the tens place, which is one number to the right. So this number 3 is 4 or below. I do not round up. So my 4 remains as 4. So 2, 4, and then what happens after that? Since it's nearest hundreds, it will be 0, 0. See, 0, 0 represents hundreds, isn't it? Because 100 has got 2 0. Now let's take a look at the next example. 5671. Underline hundreds place again, circle tens place. Now this number 7 is 5 or more, so we round up. When we round up, we plus a 1 to the 6, so now 6 becomes 7. So 5, 7. And how do we make it into a hundreds? Add 2 0. Nearest thousand, underline thousands place, circle hundreds place. Okay, so this number 2 is 4 and below. We do not round up the 8. So 8 remains as 8. And to make it thousands, we add 3 zeros. The next number, 6539. Underline the thousands place again, which is 6. Circle the hundreds place, which is 5. This time round, 5 is 5 or more, right? So we round up. When we round up, 6 now becomes 7, because 1 and 6 make 7. And to bring it to the nearest thousand, what happens to the next 3 numbers? To make it 1,000, it has to be 3 zeros. Alright, so all in all, in summary, nearest tens, the ones place has to end up with a 0. Nearest hundreds, the ones place and the tens place has to have zeros, because hundreds has got 2 zeros, right? Tens has got 1 0. Similarly, thousands will also have 3 zeros. So that is how we do rounding off. Okay, do let me know if you need further clarification.